My family. When I think of my family, the first words that come to mind are love, support, and happiness. My family is my strength, my safe place, and the reason behind my biggest smiles. They are not just the people I live with. They are the ones who make every moment of life meaningful. I live in a warm and cheerful home with my parents, my younger sibling, and our adorable dog. Each one of us has a unique personality, yet together, we make the perfect team. My father is the pillar of our family, strong, wise, and always ready with the best advice. He works hard to give us a good life, but he never forgets to spend time with us. Whether it's through evening walks or telling us stories from his childhood. My mother is the heart of our home. She is the most caring person I know, always making sure we are happy and healthy. Whether it's cooking delicious meals, helping with homework, or simply listening to our worries, she does everything with love. She has a magical way of making even a simple day feel special. My younger sibling is full of energy and mischief. We may argue over small things like TV shows or who gets the last piece of chocolate, but deep down, we share an unbreakable bond. We play together, study together, and sometimes even get in trouble together. No matter what, I know we will always have each other's backs. And then, there's our furry family member, our playful dog. He is more than just a pet. He is like a little guardian who fills our home with joy. Every time we come back home, he greets us with excitement, wagging his tail as if he hasn't seen us in years. What I love most about my family is the way we celebrate life together. Birthdays, festivals, and even simple weekends feel special when we are together. We laugh, share stories, and support each other in every step of life. Even in difficult times, we stand strong, knowing that as long as we have each other, nothing can break us. My family is not just my home. They are my biggest blessing. They teach me love, patience, and kindness every single day. No matter where I go or how much I grow, they will always be my greatest source of happiness and strength.